Holy beer mugs.
Yeah, a lot of them. They're all the way down to here.
$5 each on the Legos.
How much are the boots?
It might be worth looking up all those. That one had no solds?
That one I only found a picture. One's listed for 2,000, but. Got an NC Picker here. Say hi, bro.
Yeah, it is, oh yeah, what up, dogs? Dude, Super Soakers are the bomb.
How much are that?
Some of this is your mom.
How much are the hats?
3 apiece.
I'm sorry?
3 apiece.
3 apiece. You from Ohio?
Originally, yes.
Okay. I saw the Dayton. I saw the minor league team. That's why I was wondering. Oh, I'm sorry. Daytona.
No, the minor.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh no, that's Daytona. I thought it was Dayton there for a second.
Oh yeah, no. But the bacon one is from Iron Pigs in Lehigh Valley.
That's where I'm from.
Get out of here.
Yeah.
I got a buddy that lives in Allentown.
Yeah, that's where I'm actually from, the Lehigh Valley area.
Get out of here.
Yeah.
Yeah, they do crazy promotions with that too.
Yeah, it's awesome actually. Okay, we'll pass. How much are the video games?
4 apiece.
Do you have any other video game stuff or the systems? No. You find anything good?
Not yet.
Not yet?
I'm looking. Oh, this would be good for my granddaughter.
What'd you get, DS?
DS, but it's got Pokemon Soul Silver in it. Water bottle for $1. Ma, did you bring water bottle?
$4.
How much is the box? Or the box?
$1. $5 each on the Legos. What's that?
Do you have more?
How much is your Funko
That's what I got. It's out there.
Oh, gotcha.
Your Funko Pop?
How much is it?
$1.
I'll take it for $1. My daughter loves crazy things.
No, it's my 14-year-old. She's not allowed to watch it.
Was this one open?
I don't know. I think it just got smushed a little when it was sitting in the thing.
Because
Could be wrong.
because
Is it taped? Yeah, it might have been open.
Yeah.
So they got some sweet Yeezys here. Totally not fake.
So this one's from the minor league team in Lehigh Valley, Pennsylvania. It's actually a Phillies affiliate. Yeah. And then this is from the World Series, but it's real dirty. And then so I would have bought that one, but it's a vintage one. But the white ones are hard, the old vintage ones.
This one would probably go on whatnot for 7.
Yeah, you just got. So when you get the you always got to check the brims. If it's real like flimsy, then you can tell that's a good way indication if they're fake.
Okay.
So.
Did you say this one's flimsy? I can't tell.
No, that one's kind of. I'm
What
actually.
about these Nikes? Those are cool.
Yeah, those are cool.
$5.
Oh, are you buying video game crap?
Nah, I got one already from there. Here's for the Lego.
How much are the video games?
4, I think is what I said.
4 apiece.
Yeah.
GTA 5 is a decent one, but.
Yeah, the only one I got this one actually, the Trilogy.
Oh, nice. All 3 games?
Yeah. What'd you buy?
I just bought a book for my granddaughter.
Oh, nice.
I will. She hasn't sold anything yet.
What's this? How much is this?
Jeremy, your denim jacket?
Your jacket? How much is your jacket?
It's $40.
40. That's cool.
Yeah, I think it's rabbit. I mean, I think it's pretty vintage, but
Yeah. Cool. Abercrombie and Fitch. Vintage.
nice.
Yeah. Is that supposed to be AMC?
Oh, this is Rod, guys. Picking and punching. Say hey.
What's up,
Check out
guys?
his YouTube channel.
What's up?
Yeah, you've got. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
That's definitely something you could do on
Yeah.
Facebook Marketplace, depending on what they're selling it for.
How much you asking for the signs?
sorry.
How much are the Starbucks sign?
Starbucks 300.
300?
$1 each.
$1 each. All right. Definitely think those two.
There you go.
Here's for the Commonwealth Picker.
You know what?
Yeah. Holy beer mugs.
Yeah, a lot of them. They're all the way down to here.
Yeah.
The beer mugs. How much is the Bud Man?
$40.
40.
That's cool, man. That's super cool. That'd be something to put in the man cave.
Makes sense.
Is this Babe Ruth beer stein?
Babe Ruth beer stein, yeah, that's cool. Appreciate it. He might be buying a stein.
What do you have on the Babe Ruth stein?
We'll go
10 bucks? From 1991? I'll give you 10 bucks for it. And I got the 2 shirts.
All right.
Do you have any more concert shirts?
What I have is out there.
Okay.
We're bringing a sweater out. I got hoodie, concert hoodie.
Yeah,
What,
the hoodie's out there. It's Brothers Osborne.
Oh, really? Oh, man, he's a huge Jonas Brothers fan.
Let's see it.
Yeah. Brother
Oh,
Osborne?
that's cool.
Yeah.
Nice.
3 vegan stein too.
Yeah, I'll take the stein. Why not?
13.
You ever buy music instruments before?
Yeah, but then I like let him get warped in humidity
Yes.
and then I throw him out.
Yeah.
Saxophone, nice.
I know.
Buy it. Oh, is it yours? Are you selling it? How much are you selling it for?
For sure.
How much is the saxophone?
Yeah, they match for sure.
How much is what?
The sax.
200.
200?
That's a lot of money, bro.
Well, since they're going for over $1,000.
No, I know, but he told me to buy it, and I was like, I don't even play the saxophone, so I don't know if I can justify it. I would love to buy it, though. How much are your cars?
For the set there, it's $50 $75.
75. Where are the other three? Oh, here, these three too? 75?
How much are the
That is
boots?
awesome. Are they,
Lori.
How much are the boots?
Not the bank.
Those are girls. Those are for girls.
They are for girls, I know. I was just wondering, how much are the boots?
Oh, I thought I had something on.
Did you have it on?
Darn. I think, yeah, 25
Oh, there we go. I didn't see it there.
with the belt.
Comes with the belt?
does it include the
Yeah,
three?
my mother had these ages ago. They're, I think she paid like $242
Yeah.
for them.
Would you do 20 for
Back in
it?
the day. Yeah, somebody. It's early yet.
Okay.
I think I'm going to buy this thing. These things are awesome. These fiber optic things.
There you go. I'll give you 25 for it.
Oh, thank you.
Talk me into it.
I'm happy to somebody have it. You want the box?
Oh, there's a box for him? Yeah, absolutely.
Here's a bag for the other boot.
All right, perfect.
Yeah, they're like brand new, aren't they?
Yeah, they're barely used. And how would you think they were?
I'll show you in the
Would you get
box.
some boots? Killer
Yeah.
boots, dude?
Yeah, boots and came with a boot and a belt.
Whoa, what are these?
I know, I saw those.
How about you did this?
$250?
This is
That on eBay right now was $4.95. My husband, oh my gosh, he probably paid double for them. No, it's a Franklin Mint bronze.
This is a
thing.
Franklin Mint?
Yeah.
This should say in the bottom if it's...
See here?
Holy crap, these are heavy.
Amazing.
See, it was originally $242.
Oh, yeah.
No, it was originally $270. She paid $242. And they're
Oh, okay.
size 7.
Well, I appreciate that. Thank
You're
you.
welcome. Thank you.
This is that.
We had a huge one. I think my husband paid like $1,200.
Probably this one, right?
Are you looking
No,
at
it was
that?
a circular. I forgot what it was called. It had 2 dragons on it. Yeah, we
That
used
one
to have.
sold for $2,000
Yep.
on eBay.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
This one looks like
I know
When
why
I
you
looked
would
it up,
do
I
it.
saw $4.90.
How about you did?
well, you gotta look at the sold, right? So this one, I mean, it's sold for $200. So sold, it's green if it's sold.
Uh-huh.
So it's sold for $200.
That's
so
fine.
$249.
I'd go.
Yeah. No, that's nice though. That one's crazy. Did you sell it?
No, my brother wanted it. Even though he didn't
Sure.
need it. He didn't need it because he's like had so much stuff, but I
You
felt
gave it
like
to him. Oh, that's
fine
nice of you.
here. But they're
I'm
just
buying
hard
you a
to
little
get rid
flower in a box. Can I have $2 back?
It's just a dragon screen. Dude, those things are great. You ever used an immersion table before?
I've never tried one.
Oh, awesome.
Really?
The funny thing is people get stuck in them all the time.
He wants me to buy it. It might be worth looking up all those.
I know, I was just looking at the other one, but...
The what? Absolutely, yeah. You guys have a lot of cool stuff.
No. Just buy it.
Just buy it. I don't know what it does. Just buy it. Anything?
I mean, this one just sold for $177 in auction, though. But this is by Boris. This is something completely different, but...
Yeah.
I don't know.
Not permanent.
I know.
I mean, I did show her the truth, so she might be willing to negotiate. That's usually a good place to start, right?
Yeah.
So, but who knows how fast it would sell.
Yeah.
See, like this one sold for $200.
Yeah.
So the most I'd want to do is like 75 on it. So
Yeah, this one for
probably just too far away.
125.
That one had no solds?
That one I only found a picture. One's listed for $2,000. So we really messed up on this one. When we looked up comps, there was only one listed on eBay for $2,000. Anyone can list anything at any price. There's no sold comps. The last sold comp was almost a year ago, and it sold for $400. Do you have any wiggle room on this one?
Well, okay, he said it sold. Oh, that one.
No, that was that one that sold
That
for $200. Yeah,
100 is good.
100 is good on that one.
Yeah, I'm just
Yeah,
unfortunately happy to let him.
Yeah.
Happy to
I would do 80.
Aw, go ahead.
Okay.
Fine, I don't care. I mean, I care, but I don't care.
I gotcha.
I'm just going, oh, I know.
See the operation cars?
So which one? Yeah, so
You got
we
there.
got
Excuse me.
some games over here too.
How much are the games?
Huh?
How much are the games?
For the dismount, it's like $3-4.
For them all, or is it a piece?
If you want all of them, I'd say $10.
How much is Terraria?
Terraria, it's basically unused.
Yeah.
We only touched it once
It's a good game. Why'd you only touch it once?
because I have it on the computer.
Ah, okay. It's better in the computer.
Yeah.
Easier to control. Well, how much do these start?
Those three, Terraria, I'd say maybe. What would you want for Terraria?
I'd give you 10 for all 4 of these things. $10.
Alright, that sounds,
Will you do that?
sounds alright.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Let's see if I got any smaller bills. Do you have change for a 20? Or if not, I can work something out here. 1, 2, 3. What do you got, Mom? Anything small? I got singles. Hold on, I got a 5. 5, 6. I think I'm good. 7, 8.
Let's see what we got
9 and 10. Here you go, $10.
Alright,
Thank you, buddy. Thank you.
How much of this stuff, Dan?
Whatever you want to give me for them. Quarter a piece if you want.
There you go, Dave. Stuffed animals, quarter piece.
Quarter a piece, you say? Now you've got me thinking.
The goal is to not put any of it back.
What would you take for the games and the Minecraft pieces here?
That's yours.
Oh,
So these two, these are both Terraria pieces.
oh, Korean pieces. Okay.
But for this and for these Minecraft pieces and the Terraria things, if you want.
I mean, I don't care about that piece. I just want the Minecraft ones.
We're talking about them as a whole, maybe 11, 12 bucks.
Okay. What's this from?
Nothing. It's just a Fisher Price toy.
It's from Mattel.
Thank you.
How much you asking for that?
That and like $3.
What is this from? Mattel.
It reminds me of Imagine X, but I don't know if it is Imagine X.
But that's supposed
Oh, there we go. Yeah, I think you're right.
Yeah.
You said 12 then?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, that's what it reminds me of. At least. I could probably figure it out.
Oh, thank you.
It is Imagine X. Look at that.
Know that.
I know my. What'd you get, Mom? Oh,
Simon says. Dude, bro, you're on a car team today. You gonna pass up operation?
I know. Is it water on the knee?
He's cute.
Operation.
Yeah.
How much are these bags?
Make me an offer on them.
Hey, Dave, these go with that. No.
They do?
I think so.
Oh, they go with these guys, right?
Yeah, I think these. No, wait. No, maybe not. No, these are separate, actually. My bad.
Bags of army guys.
For the Star Wars, I actually think we
Star
had
Wars.
some heads that have the battle shields on them if you want me to go grab them.
Yeah, I think we'll get them.
Do you guys have any more video games?
That's really all I'm willing to give away. A lot of them have some sentimental value.
Gotcha. Any systems or like handhelds?
No, the one that we do have, the DS, it's broken.
Oh, okay. I'll give you a couple bucks for it. If you want to, if it's broken, if you guys want to sell it still.
All right. Yeah, I can go ahead and grab it.
Okay. Yeah, grab it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
No problem.
What you getting over there?
I just
You just gotta remember you have 6 coming to you.
Right? Oh, he'll remind me. Don't worry.
Yeah, I
He'll
will.
keep tabs.
Yeah. He's bringing out some Star Wars stuff.
Yeah, he's bringing me a broken DS.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
I know you like your broken stuff.
There's the DS. It has scribble knots in it.
Okay.
But like I said, it won't power on.
Yeah, that's fine.
It
Interesting.
has to be plugged in.
So is this like a micro machine?
Yeah,
type
they're micro
thing?
machines. You
Yeah.
pop them open, and then they have the little.
Okay, so that's for those little things then.
You already got the little
I
guys.
bought the little fillers. Yeah. Okay, so
That's
how
the
much
basis
for
for
these
those.
two pieces?
That'll be my brother asked. 'Cause those are his.
What do you want for the broken one?
Broken thing? Sure. What are you offering for it?
Give me $5 for it.
That means you have 10 coming.
That sounds fair. Yeah.
Thank goodness. I need that money. What are you gonna do?
If
with
you
it?
can get that thing to work, it'll be amazing.
I usually just use them for parts, to be honest with you. Keep a lookout for broken video game systems at yard sales, especially handhelds. They can actually sell on eBay for parts. They can actually bring decent money.
Jen, you got your DS?
Yeah, do you have $2?
DSi, right? Oh, yeah. Uno.
There we go. There we go.
Thank you very much.
Like $2 from earlier. What's up, everyone? I was sitting in my hotel room. I'm actually on my honeymoon in Barcelona, Spain, and I realized that I forgot to film an outro for this video. Dave, thank you so much for having me down there. Go picking. We really messed up on that yard sale with those Franklin Mint pieces. You know, we looked up 2 of them. The comps were, there wasn't really enough money to, at what she had those listed at, to actually make a big profit on those. I was able to talk her down on one of the items. We couldn't find a comp on the other piece, and then we wanted $50 for it. Probably should have just bought it anyway because it was only $50. Did have a big stain on the bottom there, but unfortunately that was the most expensive one, and it last copy sold for over $400. But when we were there, we couldn't find any comps. So, you know, it is what it is. You can't win them all. Sometimes you do miss items like that. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys love this type of content, please make sure that you like and subscribe. You'll get notifications every week when my new videos drop every Tuesday and Friday. Until next time.